This is Ben the EV guy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
Yo, this is MModified with another 60-second product review. Today we got the windshield snow cover. Check it out, everyone. It tucks in on the door on both sides. Sits and fits the entirety of the windshield and upper portion of the hood. Here's a side view. As far as the effectiveness, I don't know if it works or not. I live in San Diego. It never snows here. In terms of the aesthetics, it looks pretty good. Now, I don't know if you want to put this up just for the sake of looking pretty good. It's like putting a jacket on a car when you don't need one. At least not here in San Diego, but you might need one elsewhere. So we're gonna give this away. Happy holidays, happy New Year's.